This is not financial advice. This is intended for entertainment purposes only. Do your own research. I repeat, do your own research.
Welcome back to the Calling It Puts podcast. I'm one half of the show. I'm Jimmy.
And I'm Brent. Welcome to the podcast. We got Forex in the D.
Yes, sir. Mr. Allen Guillory joined us today, better known as AJ the Don. How you doing today, brother?
Good, man. Good, man. How y'all living?
So we good, bro.
Doing good, man. Trying to make this money in the market, bro.
Hell yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, that's the new way to make money, man. A lot of people don't like stock market investments and like foreign exchange investments, but trying to bring it to light a little more.
Gotcha. So if you can, could you please just tell us how you got started in the Forex market? How we introduced you?
Yeah, definitely. Man, crazy story. Me and my brother, we actually had Bitcoin in 2012, bro. We were super duper young. And Bitcoin had shot up like the first time, I want to say like 2014, 2015. And we actually put out profits. And that was our first ever experience just investing some money and having something making some money back. So but we always pretty much into that stuff. My brother read a lot of books. Now all what I pretty much learned was all just pretty much self-taught. It was through basically trial and error. You know what I'm saying? I'm pretty much y'all in the same field, so you know y'all know the trial and error.
Oh yeah.
You know. So but my brother was like, so it was like this. My brother was like the technical person, and I was more so just the okay, I'm gonna trade what I see. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. And then eventually 2017 he ended up coming out here, spending a summer. And he got recruited into one of the Forex academies. Well, when he ended up coming back to Louisiana, he put me on the Forex stuff, and we were still investing in the stocks, but this was crazy because this moved so much quicker. You know what I'm saying? Than stocks did, but it was overall all the same concept. So 2017 was my first time actually digging into it, bro. It took me about 2 years to meet the right person. You know what I'm saying? The person that made me understand the markets to the extent to where I could make it understandable to myself. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
And that person was actually Q Banks. He's a guy out of Miami. Real very 6-figure trader. Well, 7-figure trader now. Back then he was very over 6 figures though. But yeah, he's been trading for 5 years, bro. And pretty much he taught me the basics of it, like just support and resistance. And over time, I created my own Forex strategy, pretty much based off of just support and resistance, bro. So it's simple, which I feel like that's the value, because a lot of people, which that was the value of me also learning from trial and error, because it's easier for me to teach you what I learned from trial and error versus me, reading something and then trying to teach it to you. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
So yeah, so overall I've been in it for about 4 years, going on 4 years now, bro.
Y'all hear that? That man been in this for 4 years. This is not overnight.
Yeah, man, definitely not overnight, dog. My first 2 years I didn't make any money. That just goes to show you, I was putting money in, I make a little something, lose it. It was a time where I ran, I think $50 to around like 2,700 and lost it all in one trade. So it's
you lose that money quick, bro.
Ooh.
That money
$50, bro. $50 to 2,700, man, and lost it all. So it's a lot of times where you go definitely feel defeated. You know what I'm saying? Especially starting off. You know what I'm saying? And everything is a learning experience in this market. And once I got around the right information, that I learned that. I was like, okay, as long as I know why I'm taking my losses and why I'm winning, then I'm progressing. You know what I'm saying? I'm progressing.
Right.
And it was 2.5 years in to where I became profitable enough to where I could say I was making decent money. And then 8 months, even after becoming profitable, I decided to perfect only one thing in the market, which is the Dow Jones. That's what I trade every single day, bro.
That's it.
That's it, bro. And I've been trading that for a year and a half now, for every day. For a year and a half straight. Yeah. So pretty much I was inspired to start my own academy, pretty much by teaching people I had around me, bro. It started with me just simply teaching them what I knew. And then one of my older cats, he was like, bro, and literally he's like early 40s, I want to say.
Mm-hmm.
And I taught him how to trade from scratch. So he was like, bro, like if you could teach, me how to trade, you can teach anybody how to trade.
Yeah.
So from there, man, he's put it in my ear over and over. And then just 1 week I was just like, man, let me try to put together a little course, man. And I put it together. My first day opening my course. I had about 4 people sign on, and didn't have much after that. But after
Man, 3 is plenty when you start off, though.
Yeah. After those 3 to 4 people started showing progression over the first 2 to 3 months, man. By the time my 6 months open for myself, I had about 260 members. So
wow.
it had grew phenomenally in within 2 to 3 months. But people that knew me prior from trading, from just posting trading here and there. And I was in an organization prior to, which is the organization everybody knows, IML Academy, pretty much a recruiting based organization. But being that I was a trader previously, I understood the trading value even when I was in that organization. So I had close to 500 something students under me before I decided to leave. But my reason for leaving was just to strictly provide the trade knowledge, bro. A lot of people don't necessarily want to go out there and talk to people. They don't want to necessarily have to recruit just to get paid. A lot of people just want to learn how to invest their bread. So that's what was created, and then man, it's been going up and up, man. I can't complain at all.
That's what's up.
Damn, man, that's awesome, bro.
So,
Yeah.
like, all I know is this about Forex is that it's currency trading, right?
Right.
So, like, tell me a little bit about like what platforms you use to.
Okay, the platform we trade off of is MetaTrader 4. That's pretty much, that's an app. That's pretty much the main trading app. That's where you can find pretty much all your currencies in the market. All your like your SPX 500s, your US 30. That's you can find everything that you're looking to trade inside that market. Basically inside your MetaTrader 4. So I actually mark up a chart on something called TradingView. Familiar with it?
TradingView?
Yeah. TradingView is something you can actually use for stocks as well. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. I got that one. I just like it's pretty.
Yeah. So that's pretty much the main platform I use as far as trading off of. MetaTrader 4 is just a place my buys and my sells. I don't analyze anything as far as on MetaTrader 4. MetaTrader 4 is just simply where I make my money. The reason why I prefer TradingView over MetaTrader 4, just looking at my chart, is because everything is a lot more simpler. MetaTrader 4 is a more confusing platform to use when first starting to get the hang of things. Versus TradingView, everything is right there. You know what I'm saying? Everything you got a toolbar to the left. Pretty much all the tools you need in the market is all there. You feel me? Now, other than that, that's really the two I use on a day-to-day basis trading. Nothing extra, bro. Nothing extra. Just TradingView and MetaTrader 4.
So you trade primarily like by yourself? Like
I actually, man, So with my academy, what I do is Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursday mornings, at 9 a.m. Central, I actually trade live. So just like this Zoom call here, I'll do a Zoom call with basically my whole squad, and then I pretty much call out whatever I see in the markets. And everybody will make a bag, man. I feel like that's also like key value because they get to see like an experienced trader's mindset. You know what I'm saying? Like they get to see what an experienced trader is looking to see in that market. Versus versus you, like a lot of people just throw signals. Like a lot of people have a signal chat. Which in my old organization I had a signal chat. I threw signals.
Hey man, you behind in the signal chat, bro. Behind, bro. I don't care how fast you can type. I don't care what your internet.
You behind,
bro.
Look, the move already happening.
Exactly.
It's gone now.
It's gone.
You lost.
No cap, man. If you don't catch that signal exactly when it's sent, bro,
it's a wrap.
It's a wrap.
Yeah, you taking an L most likely.
Taking an L. You gonna take an L.
Yeah. Man, me and Jimmy have been in chats, right? And they'll put out an alert. And then the people will be complaining, dog. They be like, how you up 100%? I'm up 20%. That's because when he got in, that sucker was running.
Right. He got that key fucking entry. That's what happened.
Exactly.
That's what happened.
Right. Yeah.
Another thing I didn't like about signal chats was this. You really want to learn anything from it. You know what I'm saying? Like whether you got in a good signal or not, you still didn't know why you won that signal.
Yeah, bro.
You know what I'm saying? So with my academy, why I basically did just the live sessions is just to show people the real value in trade. And it's so valuable to why I tell people like this. You can come in my course and probably get all this valuable ass information from me. And within 6 months, you could probably start your own goddamn course because you're gonna have so much valuable information.
Do your thing. That's what I want. I want to give people. I want to give you the thing. Do what you do, man.
Do what you want to do, bro. That's what I did. Like, you know what I'm saying? I took valuable information from here, pull it all together. You feel me? Into a way that I felt it was understandable. And then
that's what everybody do.
Mm-hmm.
That's why they got competition out there. That's what everybody do.
Exactly, though. Exactly.
So AJ, I do have a question for you. I kind of dipped my toes into Forex on my own. Like I didn't reach out to anybody, anything like that. So I know, like, MetaTrader 4, that's the trading platform, but I do know that there are brokers that you have to go through.
Right.
What, do you have any brokers that you would recommend or anything like that?
Only have two that I recommend. One is GOAT FX, and the other, which is a newly found broker, but the one that I have pretty much that I use on a daily and that I have pretty much everybody else using is KOTForex.com. It's KOT, the 4, this is the number, and then the X.com. That's gonna be your best broker, bro. I've been dealing with them for 3 years now, and no complaints at all. Now GOAT FX is either GOAT Forex or GOAT FX.
It'll pop up on Google.
Yeah, for sure. Now they just came around, you know what I'm saying? They haven't really been in a trading game long. But I do have like a few of my successful trading homies that's like a few of my homies in Miami use them for sure. And I know a few homies in Cali that trade and use them as well. They don't have no complaints. So I can't speak for it myself. The only broker I can really speak for is KOT Forex. But I've never heard good things about GOAT too, and I definitely will try them in the future. Just to see. Yeah.
Got you. So, I'm looking at my questions real quick. So as far as Forex, what makes trading Forex different from trading in the regular stock market?
I feel like this. With trading the stock market, which is options, for the most part, I feel like you definitely have to have a lot of capital to to capitalize when trading the stock market. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Somewhat.
Versus Forex, you don't have to have, you know, that much capital. You can literally start off with, you know, with 50 to 100. You know what I'm saying? And you can turn that into a large amount being disciplined. You know what I'm saying? Like I say this all the time. The skill set is easy. Like, especially the way I break everything down. Like, it's super, super easy. But the thing you will have to get over is just being greedy. You know what I'm saying? Not being disciplined enough to wait for it to get to either support or resistance. You know what I'm saying? Before buying or selling. You know, taking an impulsive buy, impulsive sell by just seeing what the market is doing currently, not paying attention what it's doing overall. You feel what I'm saying? Like currently we're like I said, I trade US 30, which is Dow Jones. Pretty much been uptrending since coronavirus. So I haven't took any sales on that pair in probably 7-8 months. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, because it was no reason being is because it's an uptrending market. You know what I'm saying? I trade overall daily time frame. So if I don't see a trend reversal on my daily time frame, I'm still trading. I'm trading within the trend. You know what I'm saying? So the way I trade is really, really simple. But the thing you do have to get over is, you know, actually waiting for it to get to that point for me to take my buy or for me to take my sell. You know, actually waiting because I don't trade Tuesdays through Thursdays is my trading days. Monday, Sunday is when the market opens, of course. It opens at 5 p.m. on Monday. On Sunday. I'm not trading until Tuesday. Reason being is because I trade day time frame. So I'm giving myself at least 24 hours in that market for something to set up before I'm even looking for a setup in that market. You feel what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Tuesday is just my look for setup days. Tuesday I usually look for a nice setup. Look for where I want my entry point to be. Wednesday, Thursday, I'm executing 100%. Friday more so like today. I got a few entries in. But Friday is mostly a chill day as well. You know what I'm saying? Because in certain parts of the world, they're shutting down. You know what I'm saying? They're already starting to shut down.
They closed already.
Right. Like I have a girl that's inside my course. She's in China, and we like 13 hours. It's like a 13-hour difference. So it's kind of weird because when it's morning here, it's night there.
Right.
Hey man, the money keep calling. She better wake up.
Facts. Facts. Like my morning time zooms is like it's like 1 o'clock in the morning for her type shit.
Yeah,
it's like it's crazy. Like I'm like, dang.
Well, let's sleep during the day. Sit on that.
Right. So Friday, pretty much like I'm not looking for much out this market today. Just looking for it to go to a certain area, take profits for the weekend. And then, you know, same thing next week. I got this far by just being consistent week by week. Like, a lot of people don't get far with trading just because they're so inconsistent. It's really something you gotta fuck with almost every day, man. Being truthfully and honestly with you, like out my full course hours of my week, man. I'm in that office on that computer. Being that I teach a lot of people now, like when I'm not trading, I'm doing one-on-one sessions, pretty much helping people understand everything. So it's always just trading for me, it actually feels good when I do get a break sometimes. Like, it feels good to be doing this podcast.
That's good, bro.
Yeah, man. It's like I said yesterday, I was talking to one of my friends and she was like, "You sound exhausted." I was like, "Yeah, like I probably, after this full course training week, after talking to over, 20 to 30 people, you do definitely you feel that exhaustion. You know what I'm saying?
Man, you start to wear down, man.
Yeah, for sure.
You probably answering a lot of the same questions over and over again too.
Yep.
Bro. And it's crazy because this is how my course is set up, right? So I have a beginner section, like I'm talking about baby beginner, and then I have pretty much a midway section. Then I have a full advanced section. And then I also have an amateur section. So this is all
They don't know nothing.
This is all my first Zoom calls with people. This is all my first Zoom calls. And I promise you, if you go through each and every one of them, it's the same thing, bro. This is being explained. So what I do when people first join, I tell them this. Cause I even have a video inside my course that literally tells you, this is the advanced section, this is the mid-level section, this is the amateur section. If you still don't understand things once you get to here, then you definitely need to go to amateur section. You know what I'm saying? So man, it's so crazy. I deal with so many different personalities, man, so many different people from different backgrounds. So like the other day, it was a female and she joined. And usually how it works, once people join, I always kind of walk through the process. I'll be like, so check this out. Once you get through, I just want you to go through, look through everything. Make sure you watch, these 3 videos to really kind of navigate you through the academy. And then, if you're not getting everything, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I promise you, I'm gonna help you understand. But I need you to, like a lot of questions, like it'll save me time if you if you took your time and went through that course. You feel what I'm saying?
You wouldn't be asking these questions.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So I always like stress that shit when people join. And what kills me is when people hit me up like literally the next day, and they be like, okay, I went through things, I'm ready for the one-on-one. And it's like, okay, so I'll be like, let's schedule this one-on-one. And the one-on-one comes and nothing. And it's like, I at least need you, so now we're gonna have to go back inside the course real quick. And I need you to watch this video show, this video, and this video, and then we're gonna get another one-on-one.
Bro, a lot of people don't wanna do none of that, bro. They really want you to sit there and tell them that's what you need to do. Do this. And you're gonna make this amount of money, man. It don't work like that. I can't tell you what to do with your money.
No, man. And
that's what they want though. And they want you to, hey, what should I buy? When should I buy it? When should I sell it?
It's
they
crazy,
don't want to do nothing.
man. It's crazy.
Wild,
and then the ones that really kill me are, because like I said, I do live sessions, so I literally trade that market live, bro. You can literally hop on the live call and make you some money. That's the easiest it's gonna get. And on the live, I'll ask anyone else, is it anything? Because I pretty much traded anything in that market. So I pretty much ask anybody on live, is there anything y'all looking into that y'all need, my standpoint on, you know what I'm saying? Do y'all, and if they say they're trading something, I'll go look at it, pretty much tell them what I see, tell them what I would look to do, you feel me? And pretty much, man, they all truthfully grow, man. I got the guys that been with me for the longest, man. I have a guy named Quincy, and he's really my main testimony with just me being a mentor, me being a teacher. So y'all know we're from Louisiana, country, especially where we're from, like Lawtell.
Right.
That's Sunset, Character, that's country, bro. So let me tell you, country, bro. I'm talking about the most countryest person you ever meet. Last year was one of the most countryest people you would have ever met, bro. Right? I met him in a Waffle House, bro. And I pulled up,
No, that's country, bro.
Bro, countryest person. I'm telling you, bro. Matter of fact, I'm going right after I finish talking. I'm gonna show y'all just 2 different pictures on the Zoom real quick. A picture from last year and a picture of now. Totally different person, bro.
Damn, man.
Totally different person, bro. Well, I ended up meeting him at a Waffle House, and he actually already knew me from the organization that I was in. And he was like, man, I've been looking into the, into the Forex stuff. I just, I never was really into the whole recruiting, all that, which I already knew pretty much the BS that comes behind it. So I never told people like, nah, you can't fuck with me just because you don't want to recruit. Like, nah, like come fuck with me. Like I'm gonna teach you how to trade for sure. You know what I'm saying? So he started fucking with me, bro. I didn't even make him join the organization I was with. I was like, man, look, we're gonna just do this on the side. You know what I'm saying? We can link up. I'm gonna make sure you pretty much right, and we're gonna take it from there. And man, he bro, he was so hungry for knowledge, bro. Like that was he reminded me of me, like damn near. Like he was so hungry for the knowledge, bro, that I already knew that he was gonna be great in like a year. Because of how hungry it was. Because honestly, it only takes a full year of focus, no cap. It'll take a full year of just focusing to get to that consistency point.
Mm-hmm.
And then once you're there, you pretty much straight. But let me tell you the value of him though. He traded a demo account for 6 months straight, bro.
What?
6 months straight, bro. He did not put any live bread in. Why? Because I told him, I said, don't deposit your real money in until you get the skill, bro. And I'm not talking about just buying and selling just because you're on demo. Like I'm talking about actually analyzing that market and making your moves and they working out in your favor. You know what I'm saying? See how many times you can be consistent with that. Because it's gonna be the move that's gonna make you a millionaire. It's you know what I'm saying? It's not gonna be it's not gonna be anything else but a simple move you doing over and over and over and over. You know what I'm saying? Like it's simple. It's you learn how to do something small in that market over and over and over and over. So 6 months, bro, it got to the point to where he was so consistent. I had to tell him, okay, bro, get off of demo. Like now, like I have enough confidence in you for you to trade, bro. And in his first 2 weeks, bro, he made close to 10K in his first 2 weeks trading, bro.
I guess he wasn't working at Waffle House no more, right?
No, he was actually working for Waste Management. I ended up meeting him at Waffle House.
Oh, you met him at Waffle House. Damn,
yeah, he was actually working for Waste Management. So check this out. He's getting ready to open his own credit course, bro. Like pretty much after he got consistent with trading, he was like, how can I make some money? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, like pretty much how my brother is doing. You feel what I'm saying? And bro, he's about to open up his own credit course, bro. He hooked up with like him 500.
Oh wow!
And he been working with him 500 for like 5-6 months now. So he pretty much got all the knowledge he needed, bro. And now he about to start his own credit course. So it's like you went from just being a person with just the amongst the average of mindsets. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
To in a year just instantly being on some brilliant shit, bro. And that credit shit, that shit can rise faster than the Forex shit. Because people are looking to fix their credit. like more than they looking to fucking make some money from their phone. You know, so that's amazing, bro. Like I was like, man, that's crazy.
That's good, man. So I've been following him 500. My wife is, following him and, the circle of CEOs and stuff. And I think that's really dope because I haven't heard anybody or seen anybody around here talking about that. Yeah. So for him to get in with recession proof, that's pretty dope, man.
Yeah, that's dope, bro. That's dope, bro. And man, he actually, man, I do not know how, but he got connected with some guys in Miami that I recently linked with. They were following, which is like some guys that's pretty much on a larger trading level too.
Mm-hmm.
Which the trading game knows of me, but I would have never thought that they would have been close to somebody that's close to me like that I taught how to trade like that. But he actually got connected with a guy in Miami and connected us type shit. Like and me and the guy both 6-7 figure traders, so it was like dang, like that's crazy.
Man, we're gonna have to reach out to Quincy and get Quincy on the show.
Definitely, bro. Definitely.
Yeah, man. Yeah, we need him on the show, bro.
Definitely, bro. Man, you real humble guy, bro.
Good. Brent, you got anything else?
No, I don't have any more questions.
You don't have anything else? So I think for me, for me, I would say, how can people, get into contact with you as far as reaching out, as far as, if they want information about your academy? I don't even call it academy, your course. You know what I mean? So how could they get in touch with you?
They can simply text phone number 504-256-8792. That's always available. Always. Besides that, always on Instagram, man. I'm a very like beyond the following base and all that. I'm very, you know, like people when I respond, they be like, oh wow, like, you responded to me. I'm like, bro, like
I'm an actual person.
yeah, bro. Like, I'm an actual person, bro. But soon, man, just to announce really quick, I'm at like my course is now on Gumroad. It's been on Gumroad ever since I started. That was pretty much you know, my beginning gateway. But I've actually for the last 5 months I've been putting together truthfully my own course. Where you pretty much go to the Don's website, you log in there, all your credentials stay there. The course will be pretty much on the back end.
Wow.
Beautiful presentation, bro. Beautiful presentation, bro. The thing I'm always looking to get better, bro. I love Gumroad. They definitely made me, you know, good money. They as far as their percentages is not bad at all. You know what I'm saying? But I don't like the presentation. You know what I'm saying? I don't like how you can't really organize things like you want on Gumroad. Versus, you know, me having my own site, everything being organized. You really have an amateur section here. You know, you click on amateur section, you get a drop down menu. You know, you click on beginner section, you get a drop down menu. You know, you click on live sessions, you get a drop down menu. I'll have a live chat box there. I'll even have an enrollment specialist that you can call right then and there that'll walk you through the course and tell you, you know, this is here, this is there. So that's coming like midsummer. I'm definitely a patient person. Trading has definitely taught me the value of patience over years. So I honestly could have been had this out, you know, on a rush progress, but I've just been really taking my time with it, man. I really want this course to be as valuable as possible to people. So
good, man. That's great.
that's on the way.
I'm glad to see you. Like, you know, a lot of people, they get into it and they get comfortable where they at, but you keep improving, bro.
Yeah. And that's how you make it far, bro. You gotta always have a keep improving mindset.
Right.
You know, like on no levels you should feel comfortable. You know what I'm saying? And you should always just be looking to better yourself, even if it's not financially at the moment. You know what I'm saying? You can better yourself mentally. You know what I'm saying? You can better yourself spiritually. You can better yourself towards others. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people think that like just elevating is just financial, but it takes a strong mindset to even keep a financial elevation. You know what I'm saying?
Elevate your mind state.
Yeah. I was one of my homies, and just to say this really quick. He joined my trading course like around 8 months ago. I pretty much seen a full transition. Well, he recently had a pretty good trading day, and he went over like 20 something grand for the first time, and so he was, that was his first time doing that. So
I believe
so, I let him go turn up, you know what I'm saying? I let him go to the mall, do all this, but when he got back, I said, all right, bro. I was like, it's cool to have a balance. I need to have a balance in life. You know what I'm saying? You need to have focus here and then, have a little fun here. But now that you have a little fun, all right, now you got to get back to focusing, bro. Like, you can't, like, it's a mental thing. It's a mental thing, bro. Like,
right. You do it once, you got to do it again.
You got to do that again, bro. You got to do that again and again and again and again. Like, just realize that you just done this one time.
Right.
like you got to do this countless numbers of times, bro. And how long it took you to do this one? You feel me? So it's like, think. You know what I'm saying? Think. Like, think.
Right,
you know what I'm saying? And he called me. He ended up. He had left after that. And he ended up calling me. And he was like, bro, he's like, I just want to say I love you. he was like, I ain't never had nobody tell me not to spend my money, bro.
You need somebody to tell you, bro, because you know how your people think. You be like, man, this dude about to go blow it. Think he done won a lotto.
Exactly. Right. And I'm like, bro,
tomorrow's another day, though.
Another day.
Man, well, AJ, we definitely appreciate you coming through and blessing the show, and you are always welcome on, especially whenever you do drop your course again on your own platform. You're definitely welcome to come back in.
Yeah, for sure. As soon as I drop, man, I'd love to do a podcast again, man, for sure.
Perfect, man.
Like I said, this is my first one ever, man. So I appreciate y'all, even reaching out, bro. Real talk.
Yeah, man, we just want to reach out to people doing things in a a smaller space like us. You know what I mean? Like we not on a big platform, but we can be.
Yeah.
We could use this to reach out to anybody to help somebody out. That's what we here for.
Yeah.
Well,
I think y'all had the Marys on the show too, man.
Yeah, we had the Marys too. Yep.
That's a good homeboy of mine, man.
Yep.
Definitely.
Man,
that shit was pop.
Hell yeah. Man. Well, man, again, AJ, we thank you for coming on, y'all. This is gonna conclude the show for today. If y'all have any more questions, you know where to reach this man. He even gave y'all his phone number, so no excuses. All right.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna
Appreciate
go
it
ahead and
again,
close
y'all.
this show out. Take care, my man.
For sure.